Before we discuss Devon's comments about the Vitaly versus Michael Todd super match, let's try to talk Devon Larratt out of an easy super match that he's trying to have next. Devon posted this on his Instagram, the #1 left and #1 right thing in North America. Under that post, Wagner has commented, "My left arm is already prepared to destroy you. Are you going to face it?" And Devon has replied, "I would love that. Let's unify the Americas for the full #1, tagged East versus West arm wrestling. Wagner, let's go, my friend." Devon was talking about this match or the possibility of it even before facing Corey West. He was kind of hinting towards it. The last time he did that was calling out Travis Bagent for a left arm super match. That was last year, and at that time the entire arm wrestling community told Devon, "No, we do not want to see this super match. We do not want to see you have these easy super matches. Travis is no match for you." Later, Devon realized and he acknowledged that yes, the fans were right. Travis Bagent versus Devon shouldn't happen. And I think we need to do the same now. Devon destroyed Wagner back in 2019, and now he self-admittedly is much stronger. While Wagner, on the other hand, just likes to do a bunch of bodybuilding stuff and then that's about it. I don't think he even trains for arm wrestling. So this would be another 3-0 super match that we won't like to see. Devon versus Tobias is a much better option. Now let's discuss what Devon said about the Michael versus Vitaly match. Most people are discounting Michael Todd. Most people don't think Michael can win. Devon said that Michael didn't even show up at the Arlington East versus West event because he didn't want to miss any day from training. He's taking that match that seriously. Although I disagree that most people are discounting Michael Todd and they think he's going to lose, I've also been reading some comments and I think people are fairly close on this match with their prediction. Some think that Vitaly is going to win, some think that Michael is going to win. Michael definitely has a plan to defeat Vitaly. He has divided this entire process in some simple setup. His first task is to get away from Vitaly's hand, slip and get to the straps. Then next up, he wants to make sure that Vitaly is not over his knuckles in the setup. Then he wants to get a stop in the straps, maintain his riser, maintain his pronation and prevent Vitaly from rising. That's how he's planning to defeat the Russian monster. In the past, Devon used to say that whatever happens in the Michael Todd versus Vitaly match, he is ready to pull Vitaly. In fact, he wants that match to happen. But now he has slightly changed his stance. I wonder if he had a conversation with Robert Baxter or Engin Terzi about this. Because now Devon is saying that if Vitaly has a close match with Michael, if he doesn't get swept by Michael, then he would like to have a super match against Vitaly in August. Devon said that Vitaly has said he wants to arm wrestle Devon in August. Still, Devon wants a final confirmation from Vitaly, because saying that on the camera and really meaning that are two completely different things. If Vitaly feels he's not ready for Devon, if Vitaly feels that there is a risk of the Levan match getting cancelled, then Devon would understand and respect Vitaly's decision to cancel the Devon match before the Levan match. But still, Devon is already training as if he's going to face Vitaly in August. He believes that this is an inevitable match. Sooner or later it will happen because stylistically it's a very interesting match for both Vitaly and Devon and also the fans to watch. But just to touch on the point again, this is what he said. If Michael beats him easily, then I may not get the match because I'll probably do the same thing. What are your thoughts about this? Should Vitaly go for Michael Todd, then Devon and then Levan? All of that in just half of a year or 7 months at most? Is this even a wise decision? Please mention your thoughts in the comments, like the video, and I'll see you again.